Hi, I'm Sunmeet. Join me in the next monthly skin and hair care detox program along with Wellcure, in which we'll be deep diving into natural skin care, natural hair care, natural body care, and there's an additional module on abundance and gratitude. We'll be giving you monthly routine to follow for week 1, week 2, week 3, week 4 for different skin types, and what to follow for all these areas. And in the additional module on abundance and gratitude, we'll be discussing the concepts of gratitude, Ho'oponopono, I am statements, scripting, and affirmations, and we'll be giving you homeworks to be done around these activities, and at the end of the month you will feel so much better, and with the recipes that you're using for natural skin care, hair care and body care, you'll feel good inside. And with these abundance practices, there'll be an abundance of good health and immunity, and there'll be a lot of optimism, positivity. Good skin, I believe, is not just about the products you use on your skin or the food you eat. There's a large contribution of your mindset, your happiness quotient, your stress levels. All of these have to be balanced as well. Only then will you look and feel so much better. So join me in this monthly coaching, and let's do these magical practices together.